pepper, potato, chickpea flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make the snacks recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the Garbanzo Beans recipes and one of the most unique of the Fritter Recipes. It's also called Mirch Aloo Pakoda. Today we are going to make black pepper red snapper pilaf. Today we are going to make red snapper black pepper stew or black pepper red snapper bowl. Today we are going to make black pepper potato chickpea flour fried fritters. We have taken around 100 grams of potato, peeled and cut into pieces. Put in the potato pieces into the pressure cooker pan. Put in half a spoon of pepper powder, a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of mixture of spices, put in salt to taste, mix, and cook the mixture in the pressure cooker for around 5 minutes. The next ingredients are 100 to 150 grams of chickpea flour, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 8 to 10 shallots cut into pieces, 1 green chili cut into small pieces. Now put in the potato pieces. Mash the potato pieces. Put in the finely cut onion pieces and the ginger and the garlic. And the tomato pieces, the shallot, and the green chili pieces. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix and mash. Put in the chickpea flour. Mix the chickpea flour with the rest of the mixture. Pour in around 50 to 100 ml of water little by little. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Now put in another spoon of black pepper, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of mixture spices, mix. Mix all the ingredients together. Make a thick batter. Now this can be used to fry the pan and pour in 40 to 50 ml of oil. Let it all get heated. Now put in the fritters. Batter into the oil and let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry. Slowly. Turn it over. Keep on turning from side to side until it's nicely turned into golden brown. fritters can be taken off the pan, drain off the oil. Now put it onto the plate. Do this with the rest of the batter until all the fritters are nicely made. This is the final black pepper, potato, chickpea flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the fritter recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried recipes and one of the most different of the snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.